Well, good afternoon, everybody. It's Verdier again. Today we're going to be talking about Big Blue, just real quick. I'm going to be doing an upgrade on this. A small upgrade, but it's still going to be nice. You see that? That's my little kicker subwoofer and amplifier component. It's all a single unit. It's an amplifier with an 8-inch subwoofer built in with all the wiring and so forth. The real advantage of this is obviously size. It's easier to stick into a place and so forth. This comes from my old Prius days. I had that in my little Prius to give me a little thump in my Prius. Well, Big Blue has a lot of big speakers in it and so forth, but not enough thump. So what I'm going to do is we're going to have this installed on Saturday. I also bought a bunch of clips here. Got this off of eBay. These clips, like push retainer clips, so if any of the clips break, I mean, this is a leased car, so I am limited. I got some Velcro. Main reason for the Velcro is because I'm going to be hooking a base level control, and I'm going to be putting that up front. So this is just a preview what's going to happen for Saturday. I figured, this thing's been sitting in my it's been sitting in my house for a while. It seemed like a good idea to go ahead and use it. And it looks like it's going to fit very well right here. I have to move those mats. God, how did they get filthy? They're never used. And they're going to stick right there. They will just be low enough so they're not affected by any speakers and so forth. It turns out that the amp of this car is actually behind there. And the battery is right in here. So it should be very easy to install. It should give me a nice little thump and I'll be able to control it. And, I haven't really decided whether I'm going to change the speakers in this car or not, but I might do that at a future date. But this is just a preview of what's to come. Probably Sunday or Monday, I'll send up another video and let you know how it sounds. So this is Verdier out.